Have you ever wondered why giraffes have such incredibly long necks? Most people think it's just to reach tall trees, but there's so much more to the story. Giraffes' long necks are one of the most fascinating evolutionary adaptations in the animal kingdom, and recent scientific discoveries reveal that these towering creatures use their necks in more ways than you might imagine. For years, it was believed that giraffes developed long necks mainly to reach leaves high up in trees that other animals couldn't access, and that's true to a point. But in 2024, researchers at the University of California, Berkeley published a groundbreaking study in the journal Nature suggesting a second, equally important reason: social competition. It turns out that male giraffes use their long necks in combat. Yes, combat. They engage in a behavior known as necking, where they swing their heads like hammers at one another to establish dominance within the herd. The longer and stronger the neck, the better the chances of winning. This form of competition plays a key role in access to mates and social standing. So giraffe necks are not just feeding tools, they're also weapons in the battle for survival and reproduction. But there's more. A 2023 study by the Wildlife Conservation Society uncovered another fascinating use for the giraffe's long neck: predator surveillance. Because of their height, giraffes can scan vast distances across the savanna. This gives them the advantage of spotting lions or other predators early and alerting the rest of the herd. In this way, their long necks serve as a sort of biological lookout tower, helping the entire group stay safe. Of course, we can't overlook the feeding advantages. Giraffes are herbivores, and their height gives them access to the upper canopy of trees, particularly during dry seasons when low vegetation is sparse. This vertical reach gives them access to food sources that most other animals can't compete for. A 2025 study by the University of Oxford revealed that giraffes are also quite selective about what they eat. They have developed a refined eating strategy, choosing the most nutritious leaves and skillfully avoiding those that contain high levels of tannins, bitter compounds that are difficult to digest. These picky eaters can consume up to 75 pounds of leaves a day, which helps them maintain their massive size and energy levels. Their feeding technique is equally impressive. Giraffes have long, muscular tongues that can stretch up to 18 inches. These tongues are rough and incredibly nimble, allowing them to wrap around leaves, strip them from branches, and even avoid the sharp thorns of acacia trees, their favorite food source. A 2023 study from the University of Wyoming highlighted how giraffes use their tongues to select individual leaves with precision, almost like using a pair of fingers. Standing at heights up to 19 feet, and even taller when stretching, they can reach food that few others in their ecosystem can access. This advantage has helped them thrive in the competitive African landscape. Beyond fighting, feeding, and foraging, giraffes' necks also help them manage the intense heat of their environment. According to a 2024 study published in Science, giraffes use their height to access cooler air currents that move above ground level. By extending their necks into this higher layer of cooler air, they can regulate their body temperature more efficiently. Think of it as a natural cooling tower. Additionally, their necks help radiate heat away from the body, which is especially crucial during the hottest hours of the day. This built-in thermoregulation system helps them stay active and alert even when temperatures soar. Altogether, giraffes' long necks are more than just an odd feature, they're a testament to the power of evolution. These necks are a perfect example of how physical traits can develop through a combination of survival needs, environmental challenges, and social behaviors. From reaching high branches to battling for dominance, spotting danger, and even staying cool in the blazing sun, Giraffes use their necks in remarkable ways. So next time you see a giraffe, whether in the wild or at a zoo, remember, what you're looking at isn't just a tall animal with a long neck. You're looking at millions of years of evolutionary brilliance crafted by nature to meet the complex demands of life in the African savanna. Giraffes are living proof that survival isn't just about strength or speed, it's about adaptation. And their iconic necks are one of the most striking adaptations we've ever seen. If you enjoyed learning about giraffes and the science behind their unique features, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing wildlife stories. Drop a comment below and tell us, what's your favorite giraffe fact? Until next time, keep exploring the wild wonders of our world.